PA12 is a fantastic polymer. It has unique properties, for example, lightweight, durability, or oil resistance. And it is the best polymer for 3D printing. We have invented PA12 more than 60 years ago. And we have used PA12 for the first time in 3D printing more than 30 years ago. And that's why we are a pioneer of this industry. Today, we operate the largest PA12 complex in the world that is fully backward integrated. PA12 is the best material for many applications. In this industry, we stand for innovation, sustainability, and reliability. In one statement, we are PA12. Since many years, we are running a very successful collaboration with HP Inc. This collaboration is founded on three major cornerstones. The first one is we are doing innovation jointly together. The second is we have one vision for the future, and that is joint sustainability targets. And last but not least, we together want to transform the industry into real additive manufacturing. Sustainability is at the core of our strategy. What does that mean? 3 points: CO2 reduction, no waste, and circularity. CO2 reduction means that we improve our production processes for PA12 day by day. We use green energy and we are using sustainable raw materials. No waste means that we optimize the materials in a way that there is no waste when producing parts out of our material. And circularity, that's our vision, 100% circularity for our materials.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.